Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Empress Kitchen. Wait a minute, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? You have not? Oh yeah, you have. Yeah, go and tell your friends, tell your brother, your sister, your boyfriend, your fiancé, your husband to like this YouTube channel. Today again, we are back, and I have been telling us and been showing us that with 5,000 naira, trust me, you can eat healthy, even as expensive as food items are in Nigeria of today. Today, I'm showing us how to use 5,000 naira to cook asaro, that's porridge, asaro elepo rede rede. Asaro is a common traditional Yoruba dish from southwestern Nigeria. Yes, you heard me right. The Yorubas love asaro. Ingredients I'm able to buy with my 5,000 naira is this. We have yam of 1,500, though it is small, but then I want to eat healthy and I know it's going to be enough for my family. I bought panla 500 naira. Also, I bought ugu of 200 naira. And I bought pepper, scotch bonnet of 500 naira. So I bought onion of 200 naira. And I also bought vegetable oil and palm oil from the same place. So I told the mama, please give me 500 naira own. I don't have too much. I'm not spending outside my 5,000 naira. I also bought sweet potato because what is asaro without sweet potato? To make it yummy, and it even helps the kids to like it very well. First thing, I want to go with the groundnut oil and the palm oil simultaneously. I think I'm doing magic here. So I went in with the palm oil and the groundnut oil simultaneously, and I go in with my diced onion because I want to caramelize the onion and I want to release some aroma in the atmosphere. Then I go in with my pepper mix. Then I go in with the seasoning cube and some salt. Then I go in with the panla. Then I make sure the pepper is well fried. So when I got home, I checked my house and I saw that I still have crayfish. I said, that is porridge without crayfish now. Let me add this one to it. But still, crayfish is optional. Some people don't even eat crayfish. So I go in with the potato and the yam so that everything can cook together and enter each other and marry each other. Okay, then I added more water, then I cover for about 15 minutes. After which I checked it and I saw that the yam is soft enough. Okay, I match it. After matching the potato, I go in with my ugu, which is vegetable. Vegetable is so important in anything we eat these days. So vegetable is important. So you can put vegetable in anything. In anything, you can put vegetable. So now our porridge is ready. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the porridge. And we put a little sauce on it. Look at this porridge now. Are you coming to the studio to have some taste? Yeah, so thank you for watching this episode. You want to see more of these comments? Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and tell your friends to follow us on all our social media platforms at Dr. Shina Aladejubelo TV. Thank you. See you guys next episode.